Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the fabulous world of Hansika Motwani's fashion choices. Hansika, the versatile Indian actress known for her impeccable style, has always been a trendsetter. Let's jump right in and explore some of her stunning fashion moments. A few months ago, the actress delighted us with her mesmerizing photos from her Maldives vacation, exuding a wonderful summer atmosphere. She gracefully showcased herself in a vibrant pink bikini, striking a pose against the backdrop of a breathtaking sunset sky. The bikini top featured delightful frills, intricate string details, and charming cutouts shaped like peace signs attached to the strings. She looked absolutely stunning, complementing her ensemble with a chic nude manicure and stylishly wet hair. She captivated everyone's attention with her choice of attire, a stunning midnight blue strapless outfit that turned heads without a doubt. Designed by John and Anand, the ensemble featured a solid blue strapless corset bodice, gracefully flowing into a flared silhouette. The ensemble was elevated by a dramatic high side slit, adding a touch of glamour to the monochromatic ensemble. She chose minimal accessories, opting for a studded choker necklace and a pair of strappy black heels. With her hair left loose in a sleek manner, Hansika's glamorous makeup with shimmering details was flawlessly executed, enhancing her overall look. The actress shared a stunning photo of herself adorned in a maroon metallic gown designed by Shivani Avasti. This floor-length marvel features a captivating side split, allowing for a glimpse of leg, and a magnificent trailing fabric that gracefully descends from the waist, making it a wardrobe essential. Adding to its elegance are delicate noodle straps, a sweetheart neckline, and a tasteful front cutout. Hansika's eye makeup beautifully matches the dress, adorned with red shimmer and accentuated by heavy kohl, while her lips sport a chic nude shade. Her hair is left loose with a middle partition, effortlessly complementing the outfit. Keeping her accessories simple, she opts for stylish studs and pairs them with black heels for a refined finishing touch. Hansika was spotted in a stunning black dress adorned with captivating macro floral prints in shades of blue, green, yellow, and red. The sleeveless ensemble featured a closed neckline and a stylish side slit. Complementing the outfit, the actress opted for bangles as her choice of accessories. She embraced a minimalistic approach with her natural makeup, allowing her radiant beauty to shine through. Her luscious tresses cascaded in gentle waves, perfectly enhancing her overall look. The actress brought a touch of glamour to our mundane days with her captivating strapless black gown, courtesy of the renowned clothing brand Runaway. The stunning silhouette showcased a daring thigh-high slit, revealing her impeccably toned legs. The gown featured stylish cutout straps at the back, adding an extra element of allure. Her only accessory was a stack of chunky golden bracelets, effortlessly elevating her monochrome ensemble. Completing her black magic, she opted for elegant black Christian Louboutin heels. Her flawless complexion had a dewy glow, complemented by a subtle blush and highlighter. Shimmery pink eyelids, sleek winged eyeliner, and nude lips enhanced her striking features. Her wavy beach-style tresses added a touch of effortless chic to her overall look. Transitioning to another ensemble, she effortlessly impressed fashion lovers with a dark green blazer, paired with matching tops and trousers from the Qua clothing brand. Stylishly edgy, Hansika kept her hair up, donned a nude lipstick, and confidently strutted in high heels. The blazer was casually folded up to the elbows, lending a modern and fashionable flair to her attire. She effortlessly paired a shimmering pink sari with a stunning backless blouse adorned with intricate mirror work. The blouse featured 3/4 sleeves, adding an elegant touch to the overall look. Complementing the ensemble, she chose a pair of stylish glass block heels, and her curly locks cascaded gracefully, completing the ensemble with perfection. The sari itself was a glittering spectacle, adorned with sequins that added a touch of sparkle and bling. The mirror-work silver blouse beautifully mirrored the hemline of the sari, creating a cohesive and harmonious combination. To complete her chic and stylish appearance, she opted for a pair of transparent heels that added an extra element of sophistication. Hansika gracefully donned a mesmerizing sequin sari designed by the renowned Indian fashion designer, Manish Malhotra. The sari showcased a captivating color combination of peach and pastel pink, exuding sophistication and elegance in every fold. Complementing the sari flawlessly, Hansika opted for minimalistic yet tasteful jewelry, including a statement necklace, earrings, and a matching bracelet. Her hair was styled in soft curls, adding a touch of glamour and refinement to her overall appearance. Hansika's makeup was kept minimalistic, featuring a soft smoky eye and nude lips that perfectly harmonized with her sequin-adorned sari. The simplicity of her accessories and makeup perfectly accentuated the glamour of her ensemble. There's no denying that Hansika showcased her impeccable fashion sense and style at the NMACC event with a breathtaking sequin sari designed by Manish Malhotra. The harmonious blend of color, paired with minimalistic jewelry and elegant curls, created a timeless and classic look that left everyone in awe. The actress left everyone astounded as she graced the occasion in a breathtaking shimmery sequin gown designed by Nadine Merabi. This glamorous ensemble possessed all the elements required to steal the spotlight: exquisite strappy sleeves, a figure-hugging fit, and a striking side slit. The ivory gown adorned with intricate sequin detailing offered a luxurious respite to our fashion dilemmas. She opted for captivating kohl-laden eyes that accentuated her gaze, while her glossy lip color added a touch of allure to her overall look. Hansika shares stunning pictures of herself in a captivating sensuous neon bodycon dress. The ensemble boasted shimmering embellishments and stylish puffy sleeves, effortlessly enhancing her beauty. Complementing her attire, the diva chose shiny strappy heels that perfectly matched her outfit. The actress dazzled with a sparkling diamond ring, opting to forgo a necklace. Her makeup was a sight to behold, with a subtle smoky eyeshadow, radiant highlighter, shimmering bronzer, and a lovely light brown lip shade. With her natural flair for slaying effortlessly, Hansika Motwani exuded confidence and elegance in every shot. For the occasion, she opted for a stylish black one-shoulder top paired with wide-leg pants. The top showcased an abstract print in shades of white, red, green, and yellow, adding a touch of vibrancy to the ensemble. In contrast, the pants were kept simple with no prints or embellishments, relying solely on their impeccable cut and craftsmanship. Adding a hint of drama to the outfit was a gold-buckled belt adorned with stones. To maintain a casual yet chic appearance, she chose to forgo any additional accessories. However, she did sport a pair of black sandals that complemented the look perfectly. Her curly hair, blushed cheeks, winged eyeliner, maroon eyeshadow, and nude lips completed the overall look with finesse. Another occasion, she donned a charming white mini dress from Dickies. The one-shouldered dress featured exquisite puff detailing and was adorned with pink floral motifs digitally printed across its body, creating a captivating look. Additionally, the outfit showcased ruched detailing on the lower half, accentuated by a waist belt for added flair. While keeping her accessories minimal, she caught our attention with a delightful pink handbag adorned with a blue handle. Completing the ensemble were candy pink stilettos with silver bows from SJP by Sarah Jessica Parker, adding a touch of elegance to her overall look. With her hair styled in a loose and effortless updo, she opted for minimal makeup, allowing her natural beauty to shine through. Her pink lips added a subtle pop of color, accentuating her radiant charm. Dressed in a breathtaking ice mesh dress by Monokrom, designed by Shireen Plustris, she exuded sheer elegance. The body-hugging ensemble featured an intricate ruched pattern that added a touch of sophistication. With its closed neckline, full sleeves, and a daring side slit, the outfit beautifully accentuated her figure. To complete the ensemble, she opted for a pair of transparent heels, adding a modern and chic touch to the overall look. Her makeup highlighted contoured cheeks, captivating kohl-rimmed eyes, and lips adorned with a lovely brown shade. Her hair was softly curled, enhancing her overall charm and lending a touch of romance to her appearance. In her recent ad campaign, she gracefully adorned a mesmerizing blue lehenga set from SVA Kachua by Sonam and Paras Modi. This exquisite three-piece ensemble consisted of a voluminous lehenga, a stylish bustier, and a captivating cape. The bustier featured intricate red and orange jal prints, perfectly complementing the matching lehenga. Adding a touch of artistry, the short cape showcased abstract and floral motifs in its patchwork design. Her choice of jewelry included a pair of elegant long oxidized silver earrings, a couple of chunky bangles, and a ring from Urban Thesaurus, all enhancing the overall allure of her attire. With a low-tied ponytail, she effortlessly sported smoky eyes, blushed cheeks, and nude lips, adding to her natural beauty and creating a timeless and captivating look. The actress took to social media to share her stunning new look, captivating her followers with her confidence and beauty. Hansika radiates vivacity in an alluring corset top embellished with sparkles, perfectly paired with matching pants, as she poses for her latest photo series. The sensational actress from the South, Hansika, leaves a lasting impression with her scintillating photos that have taken the internet by storm. Her fans are captivated by the sultry yet charismatic vibe exuded in her latest set of pictures. Posed seductively, she dons a mesmerizing black and silver corset along with matching pants courtesy of the renowned house of CB known for its alluring designs. Her flowing hair cascades in an open and tousled style, perfectly complementing her glamorous ensemble. With sparkly makeup that adds a touch of enchantment, she effortlessly lets her hair down, exuding sheer loveliness in every frame. The actress effortlessly exudes grace and beauty even in pantsuits. She confidently showcased her style in a striking yellow pantsuit ensemble, featuring a well-fitted blazer and matching pants. Adding an extra touch of flair to her outfit was a colorful scarf elegantly tied around her neck. With just a pair of embellished pink pumps, she managed to elevate her look to a stunning level. Opting for a minimalist approach to makeup and tying her hair in a neat bun, she flawlessly completed the ensemble, exuding confidence and elegance. She effortlessly combined a white silk top with a printed skirt, showcasing a striking thigh-high slit for added allure. Taking her look to the next level, she confidently adorned a full-sleeve cape in a matching print, creating a captivating and dramatic ensemble. The choice of small studs as accessories perfectly complemented her outfit. Her silky smooth locks were styled with soft waves, enhancing her overall appearance. With a flawless glam game, Hansika was truly ready to make a bold statement and conquer the day. When it comes to casual wear, Hansika knows how to strike the perfect balance between comfort and style. She is often spotted in trendy and effortless looks that exude a cool girl vibe. From chic jumpsuits to flowy maxi dresses, Hansika effortlessly embraces a variety of styles. One of Hansika's go-to looks for formal occasions is the classic sari. She showcases the timeless elegance of this traditional Indian attire with a modern twist. She often experiments with vibrant colors, intricate embellishments, and contemporary blouse designs, making her sari ensembles truly unforgettable. Moving on to red carpet events, Hansika always manages to steal the show with her glamorous choices. She effortlessly pulls off stunning gowns that highlight her graceful silhouette. Whether it's a sleek and figure-hugging number or a voluminous ball gown, the actress knows how to make a statement on the red carpet. Another aspect of Hansika's fashion choices that we admire is her ability to embrace fusion wear. She beautifully combines traditional elements with contemporary fashion trends, creating unique and eye-catching looks. From Indo-Western fusion outfits to experimental accessories, Hansika's style is always on point. With each appearance, Hansika continues to captivate us with her ever-gorgeous looks. In her latest series of pictures, she blooms at the Mehendi event, donning a resplendent pink lehenga by Abhinav Mishra. This three-piece lehenga set comprises a silk lehenga that beautifully falls below the waist, a sleeveless choli, and an exquisite dupatta. The ensemble is adorned with intricate mirror work and garter detailing, drawing attention to its elaborate craftsmanship. Notably, the tulle frill detailing along the hemline of the lehenga adds a touch of charm. The sheer dupatta and choli boast a delicate petal-like hemline, further enhancing the ensemble's elegance. To accessorize, Hansika chose a pair of stone-studded earrings, a headband, and a ring from Outhouse Jewelry, adding a touch of sparkle to her look. With blushed cheeks complemented by a dab of pink lipstick and her hair left loose, she exudes an air of effortless beauty, completing the look with grace and style. She chose a stunning red organza sari for the occasion, while the groom opted for a red kurta set. The beautiful sari is adorned with intricate mirror detailing all over its body, adding a touch of shimmer and elegance. Its hemline is accentuated with a gold border embellished with mirror chunks, enhancing the overall charm of the ensemble. She paired the sari with a sleeveless embroidered blouse, featuring exquisite gold threadwork that beautifully complements the sari. Embracing the festive spirit, she adorned herself with a pair of stone-studded polki earrings, a neckpiece, a mang tikka, and a polki bangle, adding a touch of regality to her look. With her hair styled in wavy locks, she exuded grace and sophistication. Her winged eyeliner, blushed cheeks, and nude lips perfectly complemented the overall ensemble, completing the look with finesse and elegance. The actress effortlessly showcased her cape dress, complemented by a pair of silver-colored footwear and statement earrings. Opting for a dewy makeup look, she sported pink glossy lips, well-defined eyeliner, mascara, perfectly groomed eyebrows, and blushed cheeks, creating a captivating appearance. Her hair flowed freely in soft curls, adding a touch of elegance to the photoshoot. The two-piece outfit consists of a sleeveless long dress and a half-sleeved cape. While the dress boasts a simple design with tassels adorning its neckline, the cape features exquisite chevron applique detailing, accentuating its beauty. Additionally, the cape showcases a scalloped hemline, enhancing its overall charm. Embracing a breezy aesthetic, Hansika chose to forgo excessive jewelry, opting only for a pair of pearl-studded earrings and a ring. We also admire how she added a pair of silver sandals to create a striking contrast with the outfit. The finishing touches included wavy hair, smoky kohl-rimmed eyes, blushed cheeks, and glossy lips, completing her mesmerizing look. Hansika's casual street style is a perfect blend of comfort and fashion-forward choices. She often opts for trendy denim jeans paired with stylish tops or crop tops. The actress' ability to mix and match different patterns and textures is truly remarkable. Whether it's a floral print blouse, a graphic tee, or a stylish jacket, she knows how to create effortlessly chic looks for her off-duty days. When it comes to ethnic wear, Hansika's wardrobe is a treasure trove of inspiration. She embraces the richness of Indian traditional outfits with grace and elegance. From gorgeous anarkalis to regal lehengas, she knows how to rock traditional ensembles with a modern twist. She often plays with vibrant colors, intricate embroidery, and innovative draping techniques, ensuring that each outfit becomes a work of art. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of Hansika's fashion choices, her makeup and hairstyling. She understands the power of makeup and hair in completing her looks. Whether it's a natural and fresh-faced look or a bold and glamorous one, Hansika knows how to enhance her features to match her outfits perfectly. From dewy skin and soft smoky eyes to bold lips and intricate hairstyles, her beauty choices always complement her overall style. Let's not forget Hansika's footwear game. She pays great attention to detail and ensures that her shoes not only match her outfits but also add an extra touch of style. From strappy heels to chic flats and statement boots, her shoe collection is versatile and on trend. Hansika's casual and street style game is always on point. She effortlessly combines comfort with fashion, creating trendy and chic looks. Whether it's a pair of well-fitted jeans with a stylish graphic tee or a breezy sundress with sneakers, Hansika knows how to make even the simplest outfits stand out. Her attention to detail, from accessorizing with statement sunglasses to adding a pop of color with a handbag, completes the ensemble with flair. Her collection of outfits during her Maldives vacation was a vibrant spectrum of colors that effortlessly set her apart, even amidst the dazzling blues of the Maldivian seascape. Even now, when she reminisces about those moments, she chooses a series of images featuring her bright printed co-ord set, which has become the go-to holiday attire for celebrities. The ensemble consists of a halter neck crop top and a wrap-around skirt with a stylish side slit, evoking a sense of longing for the carefree days spent by the waves. Just as colorful as her personality, she adorns herself in outfits that reflect her vibrant spirit, and no beach holiday is complete without an equally fashionable bikini, which she wholeheartedly embraced. For her beach escapades, she opted for a stunning high-waisted color block bikini from the brand Flirtatious, ensuring that her sun-soaked days on the island were filled with style and flair. She delighted us with picturesque moments of her beach escapade, and we simply can't get enough of it. She mesmerized in a striking neon green swimsuit, featuring a captivating one-shoulder design and a trendy front cutout. Complementing her beach ensemble, she effortlessly paired it with chic denim shorts, exuding an air of casual elegance. Adding a touch of glamour, she adorned herself with chunky layered necklaces and bracelets that elevated the overall allure. Her choice of nude makeup accentuated her natural beauty, while her side-swept hair cascaded freely, capturing the essence of carefree beach vibes. In the most recent, Hansika graced us with her presence in a captivating ivory lehenga designed by the renowned Abhinav Mishra, known for his expertise in crafting ensembles for such special occasions. This exquisite three-piece lehenga set comprises a voluminous below-waist lehenga adorned with intricate embellishments, a blouse piece, and a silk dupatta. The outfit dazzles with the meticulous placement of mirror, sequin, and zari work, showcasing the designer's signature style. Notably, the lehenga boasts diagonal mirror patches adorning the waistline and hemline, adding a touch of elegance. Contrasting the lehenga, the round-neck blouse features a plain design, accentuated by its elbow-length sleeves. Both the lehenga and dupatta boast a delicate scalloped hem, further enhancing their beauty. Hansika's choice of accessories included a stunning polki pearl necklace adorned with emeralds and diamonds, accompanied by matching earrings from aquamarine. She also adorned her wrists with a pair of elegant gold bangles. Completing her ensemble, she sported blushed cheeks, cascading wavy hair, and a subtle nude lipstick, radiating grace and charm. Hansika's casual and street style game is always on point. She effortlessly combines comfort with fashion, creating trendy and chic looks. Whether it's a pair of well-fitted jeans with a stylish graphic tee or a breezy sundress with sneakers, Hansika knows how to make even the simplest outfits stand out. Her attention to detail, from accessorizing with statement sunglasses to adding a pop of color with a handbag, completes the ensemble with flair. When it comes to special occasions, she knows how to make a grand entrance. She embraces a variety of styles, from traditional Indian wear to contemporary gowns, always leaving a lasting impression. Her choice of colors, intricate embellishments, and flattering silhouettes highlight her grace and elegance. Whether it's a stunning sari with intricate embroidery or a glamorous floor-length gown, Hansika's red carpet looks are nothing short of breathtaking. One aspect that we cannot overlook is Hansika's ability to experiment with fashion. She fearlessly tries new trends, pushing boundaries and inspiring others to do the same. She made a stunning choice for the event, donning a pink sharara set by Sukriti and Akriti. The ensemble featured a printed short kurta with flared sleeves and a scalloped neckline, perfectly paired with a printed tiered sharara. The sharara itself was adorned with intricate gotapati detailing along each tier, adding a touch of elegance. The fulkari set further showcased gold sequin detailing on its digital abstract prints, adding a subtle shimmer. As for the dupatta, it boasted elaborate mirror work on its body, while the hemlines showcased beautiful prints and charming tassels. The actress opted for minimal accessories, choosing to adorn the outfit with a pair of stone-studded earrings that complemented the ensemble perfectly. Her makeup enhanced her natural beauty, with blushed cheeks, pink-hued eye makeup, softly curled hair, and a subtle pink lip color, completing her captivating look. On this special occasion, Hansika adorned a stunning printed soft pink pre-draped sari from prints by Radhika's Rococo collection. The sari showcased intricate brown scrollwork and floral motifs, with charming red roses scattered amidst the vines. What truly enhanced the beauty of the sari with the extra long cuffed sleeves adorned with intricate white and red sequins. Adding a touch of elegance, an embellished belt wrapped firmly around the outfit, accentuating Hansika's silhouette. Her choice of jewelry included statement stone-studded earrings and a ring from Azotti, which perfectly complemented the ensemble. We also couldn't help but admire her red Bvlgari handbag, adding a pop of color to her look. With loose hair cascading down her shoulders, beautifully winged eyes, blushed cheeks, and a soft pink lip color, Hansika radiated beauty and grace. The actress gracefully paired her cream-colored long kurta with a vibrant yellow palazzo in dupatta designed by VVEs. The highlight of her ensemble was the intricately adorned dupatta, featuring gold and brown thread detailing that caught everyone's attention. The scalloped hemline of the dupatta showcased beautiful floral motifs arranged in a honeycomb pattern. While the dupatta stole the show, the kurta remained plain and elegant. Towards the ends, the dupatta boasted golden thread jal detailing that perfectly matched the borders of the palazzo. To enhance her look, Hansika carefully selected stunning jewelry from Kohar, including a kundan neckpiece embellished with diamonds, rubies, and emeralds, accompanied by matching earrings. Her brightly blushed cheeks and nude lipstick added a touch of radiance to her beauty. With softly curled hair left loose, she made a perfect choice that complemented her overall appearance. For the pre-wedding event, she adorned a black anarkali, but for the main event, the actress pulled out all the stops. Hansika, the stunning beauty from the south, opted for a golden kurta sharara set by Shades of India. This ensemble, part of their Jugni collection, is a masterpiece in raw silk with exquisite gota work perfectly suited for a wedding occasion. The Zeda kurta features full sleeves and an orange pipe neckline adorned with intricate gota work, while the rest of the kurta boasts a beautiful check pattern. Complementing the kurta is the Rashida Chanderi sharara, embellished with checked zari and gota motifs along the hemline. The Sahar dupatta perfectly matches the ensemble with its checked outline and gota work black hemline. To complete her stunning outfit, Hansika adorned herself with a pair of heavy earrings and cadre bangles from 20M Designs. She added a final touch with a pair of black rujatis adorned with Zadozi floral prints from Needle Dust. With a touch of blush on her cheeks and nude lipstick, Hansika looked as beautiful as ever. Hansika effortlessly dazzled in a champagne gold gown designed by Shivani Avasthi. This stunning gown, perfectly suited for a Sangeet event, exudes elegance with its shimmering fabric adorned with hanging tassels, beads, and sequin work. The open back adds a touch of allure to the ensemble, while the bodycon silhouette beautifully showcases Hansika's slender figure. One cannot help but be captivated by the belted flared skirt crafted from organza, embellished with spiraling gold sequins. Keeping the styling minimal, she opted for a pair of emerald-studded diamond earrings and a set of rings from Azotti. With blushed cheeks, loose wavy hair, intricate eye makeup, and nude lips, she effortlessly completed the glamorous look. When it comes to glamorous evening wear, Hansika knows how to make a lasting impression. She effortlessly rocks figure-flattering cocktail dresses and sophisticated gowns that accentuate her curves and exude elegance. From sleek and sexy silhouettes to voluminous and dramatic designs, Hansika's evening wear choices are always on point. One aspect that sets Hansika apart is her impeccable attention to detail. She knows that the right accessories can elevate any outfit to new heights. Whether it's statement earrings, delicate necklaces, or bold cuffs, she carefully selects accessories that complement her ensembles without overpowering them. Her choices range from modern and edgy pieces to timeless and classic designs. Another noteworthy element of Hansika's fashion choices is her versatility in hairstyles. She experiments with various hairdos that perfectly complement her outfits and overall look. From sleek ponytails and voluminous curls to chic updos and trendy braids, the actress' hairstyles add an extra layer of sophistication to her ensembles. Let's not forget about makeup, as it plays a significant role in completing Hansika's red carpet looks. She knows how to strike the right balance between natural beauty and glamorous accents. Her makeup choices range from soft and subtle to bold and glamorous, depending on the occasion. Flawless complexion, perfectly defined eyes, and statement lips are some of the key elements of her makeup looks. Finally, let's discuss Hansika's handbag collection, which is as stylish as it gets. She understands the importance of a well-chosen bag to tie her entire look together. From chic clutches to trendy totes and elegant shoulder bags, Hansika's handbags are both fashionable and functional, adding the perfect finishing touch to her outfits. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this fashion journey through Hansika Motwani's style. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let us know in the comments which of Hansika's looks you loved the most. Thanks for watching.